I think more girls should learn how to DJ, so I'm going to teach you how to DJ. Okay, so you've got all the equipment that I mentioned in episode 1, and now you need some music because you can't DJ without music. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go onto Google or whatever browser you use, and you're going to search for Rekordbox, and you're going to download this application. This is what you're going to use to put music onto your USB and also to DJ if you have a controller. It's super simple to download, it's free. I think you might need to create an account, but it's also free. You can pay for like a premium membership on there if you want, but I personally just use the free version, so you don't need to pay unless you want like the extra add-ons. Next thing you're going to do is search for music. So I'm gonna say right now, don't pirate your music. First of all, it sounds shit. Second of all, you're stealing from artists. In my opinion, musicians don't make enough money as it is, so why would you steal their music? Like, it doesn't make sense. So I buy all of the music that I DJ with. Also, to note, when you become more established and you get to know people within your scene, a lot of producers will send you music, so you'll have loads of music for free in like time to come. But until you get to that point, you're gonna need to buy music. Fortunately for you, music isn't actually that expensive to buy. You can normally get tunes for like 99p, £1.50, £2. There's a lot of free downloads as well, so there's some music that you don't even have to pay for. To start off, I would recommend probably buying like 15 songs. That would be about half an hour of mixing, maybe a little bit less. So that's a good place to start, is about 15 songs. Where do you buy the music, you may ask? So there's quite a lot of websites that you can buy it on, but these are the ones that I recommend. The first one I'm gonna say is Juno Download. I would say this is the most user-friendly one, like easiest to navigate. Everything is categorized, so you can go through loads of different genres, you can discover loads of new artists, different music, you can see new releases, etc. The next one I'm going to recommend is Bandcamp. I love Bandcamp. Personally, it's my favorite. I think artists get the most money from Bandcamp, so I prefer to use it if I can. Again, you can search through categories. It's a little bit harder to discover new music on there, but you definitely can when you're searching through categories. Another place that I buy music from is a website called Beatport. I don't use it that much. I only use it if I can't find a song on Juno Download or Bandcamp. It depends on like what you're looking for, but it's also a good website to check out because there is a lot of music on there too. Another place to find music is SoundCloud. SoundCloud, I would say, in my opinion, is one of the best places to find free downloads. You'll find loads of free downloads on there. People put clips of their music up, and then underneath there's always like a little buy button, and then it'll take you to the website to buy it, or it will be like free download and then you can download it directly on SoundCloud. And the last place I buy music from is Apple Music. Personally, I don't use it that much. I only really use it if, again, the same as Beatport, if I can't find something on any of those websites. Sometimes it's on Apple Music, so it's kind of just like a searching game. I will say, looking for music, putting it onto USB is probably the longest task. It can sometimes be really fun, but I personally find it really boring. But yeah, once you're like more established as a DJ, you will get sent so much music. I'm on like so many mailing lists for like labels that just do send outs like every week or every month of new music they've got coming out. You end up networking with loads of producers when you're a DJ, because a lot of DJs are producers as well, and then they send you music if they, you know, if they like what you're doing or if you get on well, and then you just have loads and loads and loads and loads and loads of free music. But it takes a minute to kind of build up all those networks, so buy some music at the start, support the artists that you're playing, and then maybe those artists will eventually send you music too. In the next episode, I'm going to show you how to put all the music that you've brought onto your USB, and then just how to like format some things onto Rekordbox. So I'll see you in the next one.